Hello YouTube, it's the Two Coolest 2, doing my second update video here for the snowstorms in New York City in the Northeast and good part of the country from January 25th to the 26th, 2026. So this might be probably the last video I do of this, because by morning I know what's going to happen. People are going to shovel this and that, and we'll be able to see what half the snow looked like. But you can see it's pretty high here. Now keep in mind this was plowed, right? But the snow did perform on the higher end of the estimates. If you ever seen my previous videos, go please check them out, showing the snow coming down throughout the day. Unfortunately, the last video I uploaded, I didn't realize it was set to private for like 5 hours. I was so annoyed by that. Sorry about that. Let's just walk around here. It's dead quiet. Barely any traffic. You see, there's tons of snow. I mean, just look at this. Yeah, it's approximately midnight, January 26th. So it's now Monday. No one's out. Tons of snow. It is pretty cold. So for the past few hours, it's basically just been sleet, then followed by freezing rain. I actually made a mistake in the previous video saying it was going to turn back to snow. No, it was going to turn into freezing rain. And then tomorrow morning, well, now it's technically it's Monday, so but in the morning, maybe occasional snow shower or two. But yeah, so if you haven't seen my previous videos, go check them out. But I measured at a time in the afternoon. I measured between 7 and 11 inches in random spots. And then again, it continued to snow, then sleet, then freeze or rain. I probably added another 2 inches of frozen precipitation. Now, I saw official recordings showing like only like 9 inches. Central Park, as of I think an hour or two ago, reported almost 11 inches. But I'm pretty sure I recorded at least 12 here. You add an inch to the 11 I recorded. And look at these cars just buried in. You got a car coming down fast. But yeah, this is not going to be a good week for winter weather, because you got basically it's going to be single digits. And I think one of the days this week is going to be literally 0 degrees. So the snow is not going to be going anywhere. Everything's just going to freeze. And then apparently there's models showing a similar system for the upcoming weekend. Now, that's 7 days out. Wow, look at this car. Oh my God. Wow. But yeah, so if you have all this snow not going anywhere because it's not going to melt, and then you get another storm on top of it, wow. And apparently that one's supposed to be blizzard-like conditions, but we'll see. That's 7 days out. You know, don't take it too serious at that point. Although 7 days, okay, it's something to keep an eye on. If it was like 10 days, it's like I don't give it much thought. But yeah, first pretty significant snowfall the city has seen in I think 5 years. So I keep seeing these things. Oh, there's something to do with the number 6, 1996, 2006, 2016. All right, I mean, already that fails. Do not recall the blizzard 2010. So but yeah, someone's using a snowblower down there, and they keep arguing with someone for like past 20 minutes. I don't know what's going on. They're cursing, this and that. Anyway, I think I'll end the video here, and not much else to say. So thank you very much for watching. Please check out the previous videos of the storm if you haven't seen them already. My other videos if you like. Please rate, comment, subscribe, as I'll obviously be doing more videos for the winter as it goes on. And yeah, that's it. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.